So high. Whoa.
Oh.
Hey.
I don't know if you wanted a serious answer or a troll answer, but
Nah, I wanted the serious answer. I like seriousness.
so you're joking?
Nah, I'm about
Being
to
serious?
get in this trade that you in. Oh God, I'm about to. So if I lose, bruh, it's your fault, bruh. I'm putting all this on my challenge. I'm full point my challenge right now, bruh. Bruh, this shit dumping, bruh. This shit dumping, bruh. I'm about to lose my account, bro. I might just jump off this cliff, bro. Fuck! To me, this is just, because this is all balanced, like back and forth, all in here. So this isn't a real fair value gap. So me looking to sell inside of here, I wouldn't even want to see it come back in there. I would rather.
Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Let's get it. Hey, what's good, y'all? So NFP is about to drop in about it's 4 minutes, 3 minutes. You feel me? Main things that I'm looking at is this Wednesday's low. Right, we did trade higher during the PM session of Thursday, went way higher. I'm thinking it might give one more run. I don't know. We're above the previous monthly high right now and previous weekly high on ES, but NASDAQ has not taken out its previous weekly high yet. And also it's this weekly high and this on a daily. You can see this FEG, well not FEG, this volume imbalance, this gap, these gaps up in here. I'm thinking price could run up into those, but at the same time, that's like my draw right now. But at the same time, that Wednesday's low, relative equal lows, seems like it could come and clean them up. You know what I mean? Leaving these lows here could be a market maker sell model to set up. I don't know, because it's NFP. I'm gonna wait until 9:30 to see what happens. But I do want to see how NFP does trade. All right. So looking at that new day opening gap, right. Mean threshold of a date, that daily order block that I was looking at, right, in these lows in here. For EU and GU, you have Thursday's low, EU Thursday's low, right? We traded higher into the new week opening gap, current new week opening gap. So I'm thinking it could run higher, but you know, I don't know if they're gonna leave these lows here and have it run. What it could do is run for this first, right? Run for these weekly highs, leave the previous monthly high intact, create some SMT, right, with ES, and then have a displacement lower through the new day opening gap. So something like this, maybe run up like this, boom, boom. Once we get trade through here, then I'm thinking this could be the move, right? It's not gonna look exactly like this, but this could be something here, right, to get on side, to get down into these lows. If this happens, right, if it runs up first, takes out previous weekly high, and it starts running lower, yeah. And then I wouldn't be afraid to get on side with that, to get into a trade. But yeah, NFP is about to open up in about 16 seconds. See what happens there. Got my coffee, chilling, letting price do its thing. Land price do whatever it wants to fucking do. You know. All right, here we go. Fireworks. Looking for the fireworks. So came up, tagged the previous weekly high, previous monthly high again. And now we're starting to run towards the daily order block. Now, I don't like this initial move lower first. I don't like that. I don't like that it did that. We left the previous weekly high as well. It did run out 7 o'clock high though. But I don't like this initial run. I'm not going to lie. I would rather see this high get taken out and then see it start dropping lower below new day opening gap. This new day opening gap in midnight open price, and then start working towards that current new day opening gap. Yeah. But if the draw is up here, then it's nice that it did drop lower first. Right, that it did drop lower first, and it could start going, gravitating towards that high. Right, but since we traded so far up already during that PM session, I would rather see some of this range get filled in. Right, and then you got these relative equal lows down here. Could be a market maker sell model to set up later. But for right now, maybe we run to that. If I was to get a buy, it'll have to be at this current new day opening gap, a run below Asia, right? Something like that. But here we go. Here's the run. That's the run I wanted to see first, right? I'm glad it didn't start running through down into here yet. So by the time the open comes, right? Maybe we trade up, take out this high, and then start running lower. ES should be running higher as well. So there we go. This is London right here. London highs up here. So it'd be nice to see those get ran. So I'm gonna mark these London highs out. All right, so there's that London high. Looking for that to get traded to. NQ already ran out is London high, right? Already running out. See what YM is doing. YM still left is London high, but it did drop lower first into a new day opening gap, which is a volume imbalance. It's contesting a new week opening gap right now. Right, I'm thinking if we do drop below that new day opening gap, that could set up sells for NQES. Right, maybe we leave that London high, create SMT here, relative equal highs here that got ran. Right, so see what happens, see how we trade off of these levels, and I'll catch y'all.
So you can see that the London high got taken out here, right? Smacked it out here. I don't know what it's gonna do after this, but we'll see. You can see that NQ is expanding higher, a lot more bullish than ES, and we're most likely gonna get up into here at that previous weekly high there. All right, so I like this FEG right here on ES that caused the move higher at 8:30, dropped down right into that fair value gap, then rated the London high, right? So if we start closing through this fair value gap or displacing through this fair value gap along with that order block mean threshold, right? Any retracement, I'm gonna be willing to possibly sell that to get down into maybe Wednesdays and Thursdays 10 o'clock low, right? Maybe, but it could reach all the way down here, especially since NFP is most likely creating the high of the week. Maybe, I don't know. For NQ, like I said, I needed to drop through that new day opening gap or displace towards there and run back into maybe midnight open price or somewhere in here, and then I'll take a sell or short. But it really has to be high probable. Like, it has to be very, very clear. You know what I mean? Right now, it's not clear on where price is going. All right, so we're bouncing off of this fair value gap, going towards that daily volume imbalance, right? So that is the draw now. I'm not gonna get involved in a trade to get to that draw. I don't see an entry because this is my draw and this is my process, right, of finding that draw. Doesn't mean my rules are in line to get an entry right here to get up there. You know what I mean? It's the same with ES. We created a fair value gap that we're using to displace higher above that London high, right? We're already above the previous monthly high, but if we start having a displacement right through this FEG and these 3 consecutive up close candles, right, closing below the opening price, right, getting through here. Now I'm looking for midnight open price to maybe hold price to come and take out that 8:30 NFP low that was created right here into that FEG. And then once we start really displacing through there, then it'll tell me like how far it really wants to go or where's the next draw, you feel me? But the open should really tell me what's gonna happen. Looks like we're getting up into that weekly high and that volume imbalance. Created these 2 down close candles. See if we can expand through there. Maybe it might come down, use these down close candles to finish the expansion into there. And then that's when reversals might happen and we start drawing towards this low and lower. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just marking out the range of this volume imbalance of both of these together. So notice how I didn't use just this volume imbalance. I'm adding this one too because this is the whole gap, right? ICT has said whenever you have 2 gaps like this, volume imbalances together, just use that whole range and get that whole range. So here's the consequent encroachment of that range of this volume imbalance here, and here's the 25%. All right, so there we go. So we got the 25%, 0.25%, and then the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. So I'm gonna just watch those, see if we can get up to the consequent encroachment. If we can't, and then we start displacing lower. Even during the open comes up, can barely get through consequent encroachment and starts going lower. That's a good sign that it may be a reversal.
Hey, you feel me? We bouncing right before open. Get a little exercise. Hey, watch, I'm about to flip. Ready? 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 Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Hold on, this is my first flip. Hold on.
First flip of the day.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hold on, we'll do it again.
Okay.
I'll do it again.
Don't do it towards me. Do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
Hey.
I can't
No,
land
you
it.
landed it the other
Hold on,
night.
ready? I can do more. 3, 2.
Hey. Oh my god.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna land this one. Okay.
My god, you're going so high. Whoa.
Oh!
Hey.
Hold on. I'll do it again.
Look at this big kid.
Yay!
All right, I just got back from my big ass bouncing on that trampoline. Looking at the market, we basically rated up higher first. Oh, okay, we rated higher first, then tapped the 25% of that volume imbalance. Maybe we run that high right here, right at 9:30 before we could start going lower. On the 5-minute, we came down into a down close candle and FEG. So right now I'm not bearish. I'm not looking to take a sell yet. I am bearish on like what I want to do today because we already traded higher, right? And NFP traded higher from that 8:30 opening. I'm thinking we could trade back down to that range and that new day opening gap. But right now we're contending with this fair value gap right here. So I want to see some type of SMT though. That's the only thing. Like I want to see SMT here. I want to see something happen here at these highs at 10 o'clock, maybe at 10 o'clock. See what happens there. See what 10 o'clock does, and then I'll make a decision to either get in the trade or just sit out. You know what I mean? And wait till next week. While we waiting for a setup or for whatever happens, I'm about to join this Discord call, trading Discord call. And hello, I need free signal, please.
Oh, bye.
I got
Give
one
the
for you.
signal.
I got one for you.
Bye.
I need free signal,
Sell NQ at 23,900. That's my next signal.
please. NQ what? I need to pass my Apex challenge,
You
please.
look so beautiful. Your dress.
Intimately chatting.
Please, I do whatever to pass my challenge, please.
Bye. So,
I want to see what Dugo trading. Hold on, let me see. Look like he could be my brother. Oh, this shit lagging. Hey, Dugo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I would love to just rub on your head, bro. Like your head, bro. It look just nice to like just feel on, like a thumbstick when I'm playing my PS5. You my favorite trader now, looking like Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Bro, my shit lagging. I can't even like. It's lagging too much, bro. It sucks, man, to not have a PC, man. It sucks. All right, let's see what NQ doing. All right, so ES left the 931 high, relative equal highs. Bro, that trampoline got me tired as hell.
In the morning, and it went straight to the TP, bro. Gold is amazing,
Gold is amazing. You be gooning over it.
bro. Yeah,
I feel you, bro.
definitely, it's worth gooning.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah.
Shit, if I made 4R2, I'd be gooning too. Straight B, what? Ugh.
Yeah, let me check what Nasdaq is. Oh man, Nasdaq is
It's
also
like-
on a run today.
Hey, Dugo, why you
What
into
the
that buy
fuck?
again?
I expect ES to come back down here.
Why,
It's I preemptively entered my unicorn.
Oh, unicorn. You got a unicorn.
Yeah. Low,
It
high,
looked like you
lower,
got a
low.
unicorn,
And
huh?
then what I saw,
Oh.
right, about to. But anyways. I don't know if you wanted a serious answer or a short answer, but
Nah. I wanted the serious answer. I like seriousness. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't joke around, bro.
so you're joking?
Nah, I'm about
Being
to,
serious?
I'm about to get in this trade that you in. Oh God, I'm about to. So if I lose, bro, it's your fault, bro.
Great.
I'm putting all this on my challenge. I'm full point in my challenge right now, bro. Bro, he's too focused. He's too focused on this trade, bro. Let me stop messing with him. But nah, he might hit this one. I ain't gonna lie. That might hit. I want to see it take out these highs. Yup, run to the high, run to the highs. I'm gonna get high, run to the highs. So it came down into these two down close candles, and now, right? Oh, we did. Okay, so we took out 930 high right here. I need one more run. I want to see some SMT here. I want to see SMT happen here, and then I want to see it run through this fair value gap right here. I want to see it run through that fair value gap. And then I'm going to aim for the 830 low. 830 lows, and even maybe even Asia low. Maybe a clean target to get to. Maybe. But right now, this shit is just bullish, bro. Like, trying to get a sell in here is like calling the top, bro. But if it for surely breaks through this. Okay, what we talking? What we talking, NASDAQ? Hopefully, bro, hit his TP. Let's see if he hit his TP.
For me on S&P, it looks like it's reaching that fair value gap on a 15-minute.
Jesus.
Bro, I'm about to lose my account, bro. I'm about to lose my account, bro. This shit dumping, bro. This shit dumping, bro. I'm about to lose my account, bro. I might just jump off this cliff, bro. Fuck! Dugo, it's your fault, bro. Dugo, it's your fault, bro. It's your fault, bro. I blame you, bro. Dwayne Johnson, bro. I'm out of here, bro. I'm leaving this server, bro.
Oh, bro.
Alright. So we got a little S1T right here with 930. I don't trust it though. I don't trust it. I don't even like it's, you know what I'm saying? Like I gotta wait. I gotta wait on NQ. We left a no top wick right here too. At this high. Yep. See, look at this. I'm not trusting none of this. Like, yeah, it could fall from here. But I'm not trusting this sell right here. 10 o'clock, man. Let 10 o'clock show you. Right now, this is like expansion going into consolidation. And then 10 o'clock may be the real move. So if y'all look at this fair value gap right here, this is not like a real fair value gap to me. This is just because this is all balanced, like back and forth, all in here. This is all balanced, so this isn't a real fair value gap. So me looking to sell inside of here, I wouldn't even want to see it come back in there. I would rather just see it stay open and price just use this to start dropping lower. If it drops from here, I'm okay with missing this because it's not part of my rules. So, but I like what it's doing. I like that it's holding this right here, right? Holding this range, leaving this open. That's cool. Hold that up close candle, drop down. But this isn't my rules to get in this entry. To get in this trade here. So, sitting on my hands. Now, when I'm looking at this 4-hour candle, which way is it more likely to draw to? The 4-hour high or 4-hour low with this 10 o'clock candle? Right now, it's 50-50 to me. It could either get down to this low and there's discount arrays that's in the way of getting down into that low, and also it could even go higher because look at how this had closed. We're just dropping down into that wick and we could start running higher. So right now, bro, I'm not in no rush to get in anything or to even think about how I'm gonna enter here, because right now the draw is unclear. Yeah, I want to see it get down to that 830 low, right? Because we ran up higher first. Yeah, I do want to see that, but in terms of like entry, I don't trust my stop being safe anywhere inside of this range. That's just me though, you know. Okay, I kind of like this entry at it's already running at midnight open price, right? Using that up close candle right here to potentially go lower, plus the SMT that we have. Copy. Let's go to MES. I'm only risk 100 on this one. So boom, only risking 100 to make 200, right? Seeing if we could get down into that 830 low. Might miss it, you know what I'm saying? Might go without me, but it is hitting that midnight open price, which I do like. So right now I'm just getting in with order flow. That SMT had happened at 9:30, right? Just getting in at a up close candle. Up close candle should hold price. Might miss me though. It might miss me. But I'm only risking $100. Not full risk. You know what I mean? Want to see this FEG stay intact. So you can see we keep bouncing off of that midnight open price. Yeah, I missed it. If it comes back to that midnight open price and tag me in, then cool. The only reason why I'm risking less is because this 4 hour can go either way. It could go bullish, it could go bearish, but I'm thinking that it's coming for this low first before it even thinks about running higher. So I'm not chasing it. I'm gonna just allow it. If it could get back to that midnight open price, I'll still take an entry. But if it gets down to that 830 low, then I'm out. I can't participate in this. You feel me? In this move. So just letting it do whatever it's gonna do. It could even come and run out this high again. I would rather see this up close candle stay intact though. That's what I would rather see. So 50% of that. I don't think it's getting back up there though. Unless they want to come and clean out these highs right here that look relatively equal on this time frame. But all of this is just balanced now. So it should just run towards that 830 low. I was too slow on getting that entry at midnight open price. By the time I set up my position tool and wanted to enter, because I wasn't trying to rush into the entry, you know, I'm trying to make sure everything is in line, you feel me? To where I don't feel like I'm rushing into it. So look, we have a breaker right here. It could still run back up there and tag me in. Let me see where it is running from though. The current new day opening gap. Uses the high end of that current new day opening gap. Got that 5-minute look. Yeah. We missed the entry. You missed the entry, y'all. But it's okay. It's all Gucci and the coochie. You know what I'm saying? Like, we still got till next week. Next week to get something out of the market, possibly. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this position. right? Tried to adapt a little bit. You feel me? It didn't give me exactly what I wanted, but it was in line with leaving this gap open because all of this was a balanced price range. Left it open. Used this FEG here. Broke lower. Wanted to see some SMT, some type of SMT at 10 o'clock. But you can see that we used this FEG, created an up close candle. This is where I was trying to enter because midnight open price is there. Right in there. Right. Right there. So I was trying to get tagged in one more time. By the time it kept running up into there at 10:07, 10:08, I was trying to get my shit. I was trying to go to the micro contract and, you know what I'm saying, get in line with the position, but it took me a minute. But yeah, let me go ahead and close out. I don't think I closed it out. So I'm gonna close that out there. Boom. Canceled that sell. But you can see that sell worked out. Just didn't get in. Tried to get in, didn't get me in. So if we start displacing through this fair value gap here, we're probably gonna start going towards that Thursday low, potentially, because this was all the manipulation. So I like this FEG in here, right in here. I like that, right? Maybe after we close on this 2 minute, in 2 minutes, right? We get an entry at that FEG, right? And aim for the weekly open, which is right there, that weekly open price. Maybe we could get down into there, right? Since this is all the manipulation. I would love to see us close through this fair value gap though. In this new day opening gap, the current new day opening gap. That would have been a TP hit. I'm not gonna chase it though. Allow it to give a retracement and then see what happens. Okay, beautiful closes. I'm gonna try this short if it comes back into that FEG. 5 minute looks like it's creating that FEG in here. Just from how it displaced through here, I like that. I like that FEG possibly getting created here. But if it quickly runs up into here, then that may be a little bit weird. But if it could close like this and the next candle can open, run up, get a fill somewhere in here. All right, hold on, let's see. Yeah, because that's at the current new day opening gap. It's going towards that current new week opening gap. Okay, so I like that idea of price running up into here. Expect this to stay open. All right. See it run up into there. Get a fill right at that 930, 830 low here inside of this FEG and then aim for previous daily low. Right, with my stop right above these highs right here, because all of this should stay unfilled, right? That should stay unfilled. Maybe I don't want to see it do it within the next 3 minutes. I would rather see it do it after this 15-minute candle closes. But it did already hit a volume imbalance on the daily. So it already hit a discount array. The thing is it going for the relative equal lows on Thursday and then Wednesday? I need a retracement though. If it already hits this weekly open and this new week opening gap and all of that, then I missed out on that because it's way far from midnight open price. You know, that previous daily low looks juicy though.
How's it going?
I didn't take a trade yet. I missed out on the entry though. I was trying to get in, but it didn't tag me in.
It's like canceled.
Yeah, I canceled it.
You want to see the TikTok segment?
Yeah, a second. All right, since we tapped into that new week opening gap and weekly open on ES, I'm not saying it's gonna go higher from here, but it's most definitely, I missed out on that move. You know what I mean? I don't want to try to put a sell limit on a retracement right in here after I already hit that new week opening gap and that weekly open and it starts trading higher. Even though it could go lower, there's no telling after that if it's going to keep going lower or not. Now, if we start getting some displacement through here and then, yeah, pullbacks can happen and entries can happen in there to run to that previous daily low. but it's so far at a discount from this range high to this range low, and the entry that I was trying to get was up here, right? Up in here. I missed all that. Even if it started retracing back up here, I already missed that move to that new week opening gap. I wanted to get into that move to that new week opening gap. So now that I missed it, no trade. We just come back next week, you feel me? And, you know, trade after that. But just allow today to play out, you feel me? I missed it, it's okay. I was only risking very small on it anyway. So, yeah, I missed out on $200, but I could make $400 next week, $600 next week. You know what I mean? So, ain't no FOMO coming in here and not meeting me trying to go to the 1 minute time frame like this and get in on a up close candle right here, which could work out for surely. It could work out, and it looks like it's working out now. But that's not the type. This is not where I want to get my fills when I'm looking for a draw on liquidity. So we already hit that. Boom, done. Let's see if anybody else is live streaming, if they took anything. Hey, I just found this random dude just live streaming. He trading a 50K eval. Okay.
Okay, sounds fine.
Did he take a trade already? I don't think he took a trade yet. Let's see if he FOMOs into a trade. Since he missed the move. Or is he chilling? He looked like he chilling. He over here texting the HUDs. You know what I'm saying? He texting the HUDs. I'm going to go to somebody else, though. See who else is live streaming. Here we go.
30-point win. And how he is break even, but he said he sized out.
He got a... Why does he have a buy limit there?
I was wondering... Hey there, I was wondering, are you in need of any editor, long or short? Yo, Didi, DM me on Instagram.
He be bottom ticking.
DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Flow trades on both. DM me.
I want to see if this trade work out.
Bro, Mr. Pre-NFP, bro, I set my alarm and it didn't ring, bro, so I couldn't get up, bro. Unfortunately.
Bro, that's why you gotta set like 5 alarms, bro.
I gave you guys the exact formula for another 200 points.
It's crazy. It went that much. I have no FOMO though, and it went that much. I want to see it. Come on, bro. Come on, market makers. I want to see you go to his buy limit, and I want to see how that shit play out. I ain't gonna lie.
This is like for real the dump of doom, bro. And you know what's crazy? I had a fucking level at 900, bro. I had a level at 900. I literally had a level at 900. I'm actually such a dump.
With the cameras off. I had a level 2 though, but the camera wasn't recording it. I had a level right at that high, bro. CPI next week. What day is that CPI though? That's the question. Fuck. CPI on a Thursday, bruh. Oh my lord, why does it have to be so late in the week? All right, let's see. Yeah, it's being slow.
This is the problem about leaving the door open. You see this fucking stupid fly, bro? I'm gonna murder it and its entire family.
Dang. Why I come back to him talking about he about to murder a whole species of flies, bro? What you gonna do? Bomb him? Like.
Hell yeah, GG. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. This motherfucker's like bothering me in particular.
Bro, I'm already knowing. He probably think you one of his family members. I can't talk shit. I look like a fucking flyer, bro. My hair all lit. Bro, what? I got hair sticking out of my head, bro. Damn near going bald, bro. I can't talk.
Does no one in the warehouse fuck with Mercedes? Hell no, bro. Yeah, no women in the warehouse.
All right, man. It's not tapping his shit, bro. Like, is he gonna tap his shit or what? Pause. Come on, it's almost there. I want to see if he bottom ticket.
10 points, bro. 10.
Yeah, I was trying to get in up here on the sell, somewhere up here on ES.
Yeah, that would have been good.
And then it literally missed me.
Even though you're
Well,
a
let me
professional
show you.
trader, I love you too, alright? gap and
I'm gonna
15-minute
stop
fair
up
value
here.
gap here.
What, and it didn't let you
1
get
minute
in?
fair value gap.
Not like while I was trying to go to the different contract.
So I can learn more as well. Yeah, lifetime
You missed
is
your time.
380 and
Yeah, when it was doing this right here, I was trying to go to MES so I could get in because it's less risk doing the micro. And right here, it just started dumping. They ain't even tagged me in.
Dang.
I didn't have FOMO though. I was just letting it run.
It should either be the quickest stop loss or like.
This one's crazy though.
Yeah, this move was crazy. But that's what happens with NFP. Like after NFP, that's why I was trying to trade today.
Too late.
Yeah.
Was it because you were?
Oh, he in. Oh shit. Come on. Type shit.
Why don't you have an open P&L? Oh, whatever. It's straight 'cause it says it on the top.
I wonder why he
Alright, bro.
just got in there
I'm,
though.
like, looking for nice like 1 minute high here and that's it.
Let's see where it's at.
I don't like the counter trend.
Yeah,
trade
NQ.
enough to hold it all the way to like the 4-hour high. Otherwise, I will. If this fails, this is going to the previous day low.
He got in here
It's already super bearish.
with this FEG.
Real nice. No break even here.
This is the first FEG of this run.
Low.
Yeah, what you going to break even for? Let it run.
Put a stop at the low now. Less risk on the table. Yeah, took me out.
Nah, bro is different. I mean, bro, he's buying. If he's buying in here, and your stop loss is that tight, bro, why don't you just let it breathe? I'm confused.
Alright. That's probably the only long still don't like it. For short anymore. Yeah, 380 enrolls you into premium. For life.
Because he still would have been, yeah, he still would have been safe, low key.
It was worth a shot, bro. It was worth a shot.
He still would have been safe. You know what, bruh? He got it, bruh. He got it. But I don't know what type of trading that is. That's some bottom tick, top tick type of shit. But you know what I'm saying? Like, that's cool. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm done reacting, bruh. Ain't nothing else to react to. Bruh, Alex, bruh, he got a $19,000 pay. He had I was just reacting to his shit, bruh. He literally blew all of his XFAs, bruh. And just like that, 2 weeks later, bro passed his XFAs on Top Step. Already about to get a $19,000 payout, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Just a regular college kid, bruh. Blew his accounts and everything. Hey, props to him. I'm not going to react to it because all he going to be doing is yapping. I like action. I like to see trades. I like to see price action. You know what I mean? I bet y'all do too. You know what I mean? But yeah, fuck it. I'm about to end the video here. Edit this up. Going about my day. You feel me? If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.